Frances Montes lives in Rio. She told me about her latest personal road construction project.
He put in 10 bags of cement, I put in 8 bags of cement.
That's for this giant pothole next to her driveway. At the end of her block are a handful of other potholes and a familiar-looking sign.
They won't even change our stop sign.
Montes has lived on her street for 15 years and wondered why none of her neighboring streets have the same issues. I brought her concerns to Martin County and discovered that her block, Haven Lane, is a private road that was never turned over to the county, as all the adjoining streets were.
There's about 55 miles of roads of that type in Martin County.
Public Works Director Jim Gorton says if Montes can get a majority of homeowners on her street to agree to a repaving, they can submit a petition to the county, which will assess the situation.
Then the roadway would be accepted by the county, some improvements would be made, and the residents who front that roadway would pay for that over time on their tax bills.
As for that stop sign, the county says the residents of the street are going to have to buy it for themselves.
We pay our taxes, but we don't pay for anybody for it to be private.
Montes says she'll now poll her neighbors. Now, if you find yourself in a similar situation, you can reach out to the county online, clicking the Need Help button, followed by Request for Service, and fill out the form. John Shainman, WPTV News.